fix the solar CCTV system on the pole where it can get plenty of sunlight. Make sure the solar panel is fixed tightly and won't move. Take off the cap. Insert the SIM card into the first slot. Insert the SD card into the second slot. Close the cap on to protect the slots. Fix the camera on the pole under the solar panel. Tighten the camera tightly so it stays in place. We can adjust the camera angle to ensure optimal coverage of the area. Switch on the solar panel to start powering the camera. Use the provided cable to connect the solar panel to the camera. Open the TrueCloud app and scan the QR code.